Unknown Entities, a series where we dive into the unknown entities in the world of the military, law enforcement, and government. These entities are typically underpublicized, under the radar, or just aren't known by many. So we go as deep as possible to find you the information. Chances are, you've probably never heard of what we're going to talk about in this video today. So let this unknown voice tell you about this unknown entity. IRS Special Agents. You know what they say, there's only two things certain in life, death and taxes. Have you done your taxes yet this year? Maybe after this video, you just might. You wouldn't want one of these guys kicking down your door. Yes, the IRS, which stands for Internal Revenue Service, isn't just a bunch of accountants. It has its own special agents, which are officially referred to as Criminal Investigation Special Agents. We're going to cover who they are, what they do, their training, and much more. Oh, and before we continue, please consider subscribing, as 84% of our viewers aren't subscribed. It would be greatly appreciated. IRS Special Agents are first and foremost investigative accountants. They are forensic accountants searching for evidence of criminal conduct. They work under the IRS-CI, which is a federal law enforcement agency that mainly deals with financial crimes and violations of the Internal Revenue Code. What's that, you say? It's pretty much a bunch of rules and stuff about taxes. That's all you need to know. Believe it or not, we're not accountants here at General Discharge. These guys do what they do well. Over 90% of those they prosecute for federal tax violations are convicted. So chances are, if one of these agents comes knocking at your door, you're most likely going away for a while. Or you got a hefty fine you're going to be paying. This is their current badge. As you can see, it says Department of Treasury on it because the IRS falls under the Department of Treasury. IRS Special Agents operates under 21 field offices scattered throughout the United States. Their offices are located in Atlanta, Boston, Charlotte, Chicago, Cincinnati, Dallas, Denver, Detroit, Houston, Las Vegas, Los Angeles, Miami, Newark, New York, Oakland, Philadelphia, Phoenix, Seattle, St. Louis, Tampa, and Washington, D.C., which is where their headquarters is located. They also have locations in other countries, but we won't get into that. IRS Special Agents fill a unique niche in the law enforcement community. They are financial investigators first and foremost, with many of them trained up with finance and accounting. A lot of them are even CPAs, which, in case you didn't know, stands for Certified Public Accountant. Due to the increased use of automation for financial records, CI Special Agents are trained to recover computer evidence. Along with their financial investigative skills, they use specialized forensic technology to recover financial data that may have been encrypted, password protected, or hidden by other electronic means. Here's another fun fact. IRS Special Agents are the only employees within the IRS authorized to carry and use firearms. They receive training in handguns, shotguns, and rifles. If they're working undercover, they may carry and use pretty much any common firearm. IRS Special Agents also execute arrest and search warrants, technical surveillance, building entry, non-lethal defensive tactics training, and serve as dignitary protection staff and in air marshal roles. Not only that, they also have some specialized units too. We'll give you a couple examples. They have what is called the Commissioner's Protection Detail, which is a specially trained cadre of IRS Special Agents who provide personal security and protection of the IRS Commissioner. And then there's GIFT, which stands for Global Illicit Financial Team. GIFT is an IRS-CI-led task force that investigates organizations that illicitly move money used to support international crime organizations. GIFT investigations include these. Pause the screen to take a longer look. So, at this point, you're still probably coming to terms with the fact that the IRS has special agents. We understand, but we must go on, as you're probably wondering what it takes to become one of these. The training required to become an IRS Special Agent consists of this. Pause the screen to take a longer look. The position is an 1811 series position, so the requirements have a lot to do with that. It would also help out a lot if you're an accountant. We will leave a link in the description for you if you're interested in the requirements, as they're quite in depth. But we will tell you this, you'll need a tax audit. Big shocker, right? They don't want tax evaders working for them. So there you go. You most likely learned something new today. But before you go, if you're interested in learning more about the IRS, we got some recommended readings for you. There is Three of the First by Hilton Owens and What to Do When the IRS is After You by Richard Schickel. The links for these books are in the description below. And if you enjoyed this Unknown Entities video, you're in luck. We've done one of these before. Did you know NASA has SWAT teams? You should definitely go check out that video if you haven't already. Well, that's episode 2 of Unknown Entities in the books. We hope you enjoyed it. Let us know what else you'd like us to cover in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching. Do you even want to be here? A big shout out to all of our YouTube members and our patrons over at our Patreon. Thank you all so much for taking the extra step in supporting our channel. It is much appreciated. If you'd like to be featured on a General Discharge video, consider joining our membership with the link in the description or the join button to the left of the subscribe button, or go give our Patreon a look and join the team. Here's Nick Nausea.
All your friends are subscribing to General Discharge and you don't even want to be here.